Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where and what time of the day you are watching this video. My name is Olani Ishofunwa, and if this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. But ensure you subscribe to this channel before leaving. In today's tutorial, we shall be discussing one of the applications of the sequence function, which is how to create a self-numbering list. If this is your first time of hearing of the sequence function, or you've heard about the sequence function and you don't fully understand how to use it, I got it covered. Kindly watch the video that I pinned above and understand how the function works. And don't forget to watch this video till the end. Supposing you want to create an entry for a list of items, for example, a list of names, and we like to assign a unique ID or serial number or sequence number, depending on how you want to name it. The first thought on how to do it is by typing the number, then you type the name, you go again, you type in the number, and you type in the name. You go again, you type in the number, and you type in the name. As we can see, that this is not quite efficient, though it is a simple approach, but it is not efficient. But a more faster and efficient method is by using the combination of the sequence and the COUNTA function. While the COUNTA function counts the number of non-empty cells in a range, our sequence function will create the list of sequential number for this counted non-empty cell. What do I mean by this? Let's make our first entry of name. Make our first entry, and in adding our unique ID or serial number to it, instead of adding it manually 1, 2, 3, so we use our sequence. We use the combination of the sequence function. This combination of the sequence function. So instead of putting our rows, we use the COUNTA function. Then we select the column. We select the column of our list, which is column B. We close the parentheses. Our sequence number is generated. So now in this case, when we had the second entry, our serial number is generated automatically. So we don't need to bother ourselves with putting in the serial number. Once we make our entry, the number is generated in column A. This we can do for as many, even if you want to make an entry of 100 names, our serial number is generated accordingly. As you can see, that this is a much efficient and more faster way of create a self-numbering list. The reason why I stated that this is a faster and much efficient approach is because of this. When we look at this example, this first set of lists is generated by typing in the unique ID one by one after the other. While this second set is by using the combination of the sequence and the COUNTA function. Now let's watch. If we try to delete one of the entry, if we try to delete one of the entry, and using the first approach, we realize that our serial number is distorted because of the deletion that we did. We have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. But if you try to do the same for this approach, if you try to delete this another entry, we realize that Excel arrange our serial number is not distorted and everything is fine. This is the reason why this approach, that is the combination of the sequence and the COUNTA function, is a much faster and efficient method. Please try it and drop a comment on on your experience. In today's session, we are able to demonstrate how to create a self-numbering list using the sequence and the COUNTA function. Kindly endeavor to use these functions for your own list. Also, if you want to understand more or know more about the COUNTA function and other count function, please check my channel. I have videos that talk about those functions in full details. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video and you learned something, kindly drop a comment below. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and click on the notification bell so that you will be aware when we're about to start the next session. Thank you and see you in the next class.